وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salam ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen nabiyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Read Al-Quran the easy way. I welcome you to 25th lesson in which we'll study Hamza Sakina, Hamza with Sukoon. So relax and smile, be ready, get that workbook, textbook, whatever, and the pen, and close everything else. We have a very interesting case of Hamza. You know, Hamza is a baby letter, tiny letter, so it needs little more care and attention. You know, it's small, and also you may suppress its sound also. You got to give extra care when saying it. And that's what this whole lesson is about. Hamza is not itself. You know, it's not alone. Sometimes it comes with its brothers or sisters, whatever you want to call. You know, alif, ya and waw carry it, and when they carry it, they become Hamza only. All these that you see are Hamzas, okay, and they have sukoon caps on all of them. So all of them need special help. That is, you got to pronounce them with extra care. How? It will be okay, like ba'sun, bi'sa. We will see here. And to remember it, we have a cartoon in this case also. If there's a small sharp ditch in the road, you will just, cross it with just a small jerk. Similarly, if you have a sharp bend in the cable, you will have a jerk while going over it. Well, it's not there, otherwise it's dangerous. But just to help you remember the case of Hamza. So if you're reading words from below, the words, if they are there, and if you see Hamza in any of them, like here ba'sun, bi'sa, yu'ta, so you got to give clear jerk for clear extra sound for Hamza, clear sound for Hamza, not extra but clear sound. Otherwise what happens is people will say ba'sun, bisun, yu'ta, so they just kill it. So as I said, Hamza is a baby letter. You got to give extra care. And here is our logo for Hamza, whether it is on itself or on alif or on ya or on waw. And here is a bigger picture of the sukoon letters. You know, we told you that we will be filling this whole table one by one. So we started with common sukoon letters, then we took special cases of aw, and then I, and this time we are taking with Hamza. Okay, so we can have this aw, af, and ath, ad, and then the second line still has to be done as, as, os, al, an, ar, and then you have aj, ash, ay, ad, and two more are missing there, and then we have ag. By the way, is not there in Arabic, but just for explanation here we kept it. But what we will do in this one, in this slide, is we'll put Hamza with sukoon before all the letters and practice it with our poem. Remember that Hamza in every case is from the end of the throat, okay? Edge of the throat. The last part of the throat. So, now let us recite that poem. The first letters are from the different locations, lips or tongue or throat. But if you keep it in a poem, it is easy to practice this. So, let's start. Bismillah. Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. What are they? Ta, da, va, ta, da, ta, za, sa, sa, la, na, ra. And the left ones, ja, sha, ya, da, ka, qa. And the last 6, I told you doesn't exist, but just for the practice sake, ha, 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 ra, kha. Okay, you have to give that extra jerk for Hamza, extra push for Hamza. Otherwise it will just die down. You may say ma, ba, wa, fa, and it's not correct. So you can also have this poem with kasra, like mi, bi, wi, fi, thi, zi, vi, and so on. Or you can have it dhamma also, mu, bu, wu, fu. That way you will cover all the cases that can ever come in the Quran. Not everything will be there, not all the cases are there, but you will cover almost all of them. Some of them may not even occur in the Quran. But anyway, you know what Hamza sound is. So Hamza Sakina occurs in the Quran almost 1,200 times. So approximately 2 times every page. Still it is. Let's try to read those words that occur most frequently in the Quran. Try to read with me or at least repeat after me. Ba'sa. Ba'sa. See, alif with sukun becomes hamza with sukun. Ba'sa. Bi'sa. Bi'sa. Jitta. Jitta. Shitta. Shitta. Let's revise the last 4. Ba'sa, bi'sa, jitta, shitta. So the extra sound of Hamza should be very clear. Okay, the sound of Hamza should be very clear. Ba'sa, bi'sa, jitta, shitta. Tu'minu. Tu'minu. Don't say tu'minu. Tu'minu. Okay? Tu'minu. Yu'minu. Yu'minu. Nu'minu. Nu'minu. Mu'minu. Don't say mu'min. Okay? Mu'min. Mu'minu. Mu'minu. So let's revise the last 4. Tu'minu. Yu'minu. Nu'minu. Mu'minu. Tu'minu means you believe. Yu'minu, he believes. Nu'minu, we believe. Mu'minu is believer. Anyway, let's recite these ones. Tu'minu. Here there is waw mad there, okay, and after waw mad there is alif at the end, but it is not preceded by fathat, so it is not alif mad. No sign, no sound. Tu'minu. Tu'minu. When you stretch it, it becomes you all believe. Okay, tu'minu, you believe. Tu'minu, you all believe. Yu'minu. Yu'minu, they all believe. Mu'minina, all believers. Mu'minu singular, mu'minun plural, believers. Mu'minina. Mu'minina. Mu'minati, believing women. Okay. Mu'minati. So let's revise the last 4. Tu'minu. Yu'minu. Mu'minina. Mu'minati. Once again. Tu'minu. Yu'minu. Mu'minina. Mu'minati. Ya'muru. Ya'muru. Ra is thick, okay? Ya'muru. Yu'ta. Yu'ta. Ya'ti. Ya'ti. That's yamad at the end. Ya'ti. Ta'ti. Remember, alif has hamza there. Alif has sukun there. That means it is hamza. Ta'ti. Okay. Ta'ti. Ya'ti. So let's revise the last four. Ya'muru. Don't say ya'muru. That is Hamza. Whenever alif has sukoon there, that becomes Hamza. If that sukoon were not there, then we will say ya'muru. Okay? Because then it will become alif mad. But in this case, it is Hamza with sukoon. Ya'muru. Okay? Ya'muru. Yu'ta. Ya'ti. Ta'ti. So ya'muru, ya'ti, ta'ti, all of these have sukoon sign on alif. That becomes Hamza with sukoon. Hamza with sukoon means ya'muru. Okay, ya'ti, ta'ti, and the second one is yu'ta. Let's continue. Tu. The first one is Hamza, second one is waw mad. Tu. Fa'tu. Ta'kulu. Ta'khudhu. Let's revise the last four, and all of them have alif at the end, and none of them are alif mad. All of them have alif at the end, but none of them are alif mad because they are not preceded by fatha. So no sign, no sound. Don't read those alifs at the end. Okay, let's revise, and all of them have waw mad also. Tu'tu, fa'tu, ta'kulu, ta'khudhu. Once again, tu'tu, fa'tu, ta'kulu, ta'khudhu. Yu'luna. Ta'kuluna. Ta'tina. So tina, there is yamad wawmad, but first one is alif with sukoon, that means it is Hamza. Ta. But the last one, you see, is alif mad because it has no sign and before it is fatha. Na. Ta'tina. Ma'wahum. Let's revise the last four. Yu'luna. Ta'kuluna. Ta'tina. Ma'wahum. Let's write the most commonly occurring words. Mu'minina. Let's see. Mu. Dhamma and Hamza sitting on top of waw and the sukoon. Once you write it, you will get used to, you will get real picture of that. Mu'minina. Na. Okay, then kasra here and sukoon here. Mu'minina. Really it helps. You will really remember the shape. Yu'minu. Ya, waw, and the two dots for ya, and the waw, it's not waw, it is Hamza. Then here you have dhamma for you, ya, and then sukoon for waw. Minu. Once you write, you will know how many things are involved. Ya'tiya. Ya and sukoon on this alif, which is nothing but Hamza, and ta, ti, kasra. Ya'ti, so ya has sukoon there. Let's play a game now. Where is the word yu'minu? Yu'minu is the second one. Ya'muru. So third. And where is bi'sa? Bi'sa is the first. MashaAllah. Okay, before we go, let's take spoken Arabic. we learned هذا, هؤلاء, this and these, ذلك, that, أولئك, those. You can add to that الذي, like oh, I was talking about that person, the one who, الذي, the one who, الذين, those who, الذي, الذين, الذي, the one who, الذين, those who, الذي, الذين, الذي, الذين, and you can go over the circle, هذا, هؤلاء, ذلك, أولئك, الذي, الذين, هذا, هؤلاء, ذلك, أولئك, الذي, الذين. And then you can use these in lots of sentences in future, inshallah. By now, you know how to recite the words that occur approximately almost 20,000 times, and the meanings of those words that occur 17,000 times. MashaAllah, just don't forget to practice and revise this, the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Practice it again and again, watch this and learn it thoroughly and teach it to others. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for knowledge, Rabbi zidni ilma, and continue. That's it for now. We'll see you in the next lesson. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.